Security cameras in Palmas del Mar, Puerto Rico. Security cameras in Palmas del Mar, Puerto Rico. Installation services. If you're looking for security cameras in Palmas del Mar, you've come to the right place. We specialize in providing high-quality security cameras and professional installation services throughout Palmas del Mar, Puerto Rico. Whether you need a single security camera for your home or a full system for your business, our experienced team is ready to assist. With extensive experience, we understand the specific security needs of the Palmas del Mar community. We offer a wide range of security cameras, including dome cameras, bullet cameras, and advanced color night vision cameras. Our systems ensure safety and peace of mind for both residential and commercial properties. We also offer professional security camera installation in Palmas del Mar. Our licensed and trained technicians provide expert service, ensuring your security system is installed correctly and efficiently. Call us today at 787-456-8177 to schedule your security camera consultation in Palmas del Mar, Puerto Rico, or shop online at www.secureviewcameras.com.